What happens if chicken cordon bleu and chicken parmigiana has a baby? At dahil catering is life, motherhood is lifer, and TikTok is lifest, gagawa tayo today ng Porjana. Can you already imagine how good this is going to be? So let's start off with the ingredients that we will be using. We need Claro palm oil, 3 pieces of chicken breast, a slice of cream cheese and butter, minced onion, 6 slices of ham and cheese, tapos bawang, and then fresh basil, at saka crushed or diced tomatoes in can. We also need flour, milk, at saka mixture na pachamba ng breadcrumbs at saka flour. For the spices, we need pepper, salt, nutmeg, and paprika. I have listed the ingredients and the measurements in the caption. Just in case, alam niyo yon, magmo-Mother's Day na kasi baka gusto niyo rin gawin for your moms. So we'll slice the chicken breast in the middle and ninipisan ito. We're going to tenderize and flatten this with the back of the knife if you do not have a hammer. We'll season it with salt at saka paprika and a little pepper. And leave it for around 3 to 5 minutes so that the taste or the flavor will go inside the chicken meat. And don't forget to rub it. At ito na. And now, the exciting part, we'll roll the flattened chicken breast with the ham, cream cheese, and the cheese. And then we're going to crack 2 eggs because that's where we will dip the chicken cordon bleu before it becomes a cordon bleu. Huh? What? Now we're covering it up with the flour and the breadcrumbs mixture. You can chill this in the freezer or wrap it with the cling wrap para mas tight. Now for the marinara sauce, we need 5 tablespoons of Clara palm olive oil. Saute the garlic and the onion. Pag caramelize na, add pepper and salt. And then add your diced tomatoes and add a lot of salt because tomatoes need that. Be generous with your pepper and your Italian seasoning, also your fresh basil, so that it will be really flavorful. Now for the bechamel, we're going to melt the butter and fry the flour. Add milk and water. And add a pinch of nutmeg. Once it's done, we're now ready to fry the cordon bleu in your Claro palm oil. Now, make sure that it's only half cooked because we will still bake this. We're trying to avoid it from drying out. In a baking dish, just place your Parmigiana sauce and line up your cordon bleu. Oh, I'm so excited. I've been wanting to do this for quite some time now, but I've been gathering the courage to do cordon bleu because it's quite tough to make. But with a lot of patience, this is really going to go well. So now, once you've lined up your cordon bleu, put some marinara sauce and then bechamel on top and bake it in the oven at 180 degrees for 25 minutes. This is best served with pasta and garlic bread. Add this to your favorites. Don't forget to like and share and comment what you'd like to call this recipe. Bye-bye!